Hi everyone, I'm going to go over what happens after your creation is fired. So Becca went through how to make your pot, and as you can see they can be in all different shapes and sizes. And so what you have done is after it comes out of the kiln, it is what we call bisque. So it's rough to the touch, it kind of makes a noise if you scratch it. It's a lot sturdier than your clay or greenware, but it is still fragile, and I wouldn't want to eat or drink out of this, and your particular clay, you would not be able to put food in it until you glaze it. So when you got your clay kit, on the back, you were told that you could choose glaze or acrylic paint, as well as your colors. So the difference between glaze and acrylic is glaze is formulated to go back in the kiln. So after you glaze it or paint it, you would take it back to us, and then we would put it back in the kiln and refire it, and then it turns into this shimmery glass, nice, pretty colors. And typically we also dip it in a clear glaze that creates it